What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a pretty cool unboxing. We're gonna have 7 brand new 2023 releases for NASCAR Diecast. So we're gonna take a look one by one out of the box. Here we go. First up is Christopher Bell's number 20 Bristol Dirt win. Let's get some of these packing peanuts out of the way real quick. Out of the box and out of the way. So as far as the dirt race goes, not too dirty of a diecast. Maybe it's just the paint scheme. Might make that tough to see. But these are all the diecast body and chassis releases. So all these are quote early releases in the diecast body and chassis version, and the normal ones will come out in a month or so. But next up, let's see what we can pull out of the box. Ooh, another one's coming with it, but it looks like we're gonna get Brad Keselowski's King's Hawaiian Roll number 6. Gorgeous, gorgeous car here. I love orange. Orange, my favorite color. Orange and white, even better combination. So this one's definitely pretty cool. Next up, the one that's joining Keselowski out of the box here, Kyle Busch. Thornton's number 8 for RCR. I'm kind of just trying to get all of Kyle Busch's schemes from this year, because it's the first time in so long he's not in that 18 M&M's car. So this scheme, in my opinion, pretty basic, but again, just for the fact that it's Kyle Busch back in a Chevy for RCR, it's pretty cool. First time back in a Chevy since the Hendrick days, I guess. So pretty cool. Next up out of the box I see is probably my favorite one from this box. Ross Chastain's Darlington Throwback, number 1. The UPS Worldwide Express, number 1. So again, probably the coolest one in the box. Along with the Christopher Bell. I like that scheme. Added bonus being a winner. So there's 4 out of the way. I think we got 3 left. Let's see. Oh, here's another cool one. More packing peanuts in my way here. Bubba Wallace, number 23. Columbia for 2311. So as cool as this one is, just a little basic design. But I think the blue that they chose, that's that basic Columbia blue that goes along with a lot of their stuff. I think fits really well. And it's got a little bit of a camouflage to it. So yeah, this one's pretty sick. Pretty cool. 2 more in the box here. After all, Bubba. 2 more is Eric Jones, Legacy Motor Club number 43. The STP. The classic STP 43. For Eric Jones. Pretty sick looking diecast there. So we got 1 more in the box, and then we'll, let's see, go over them again. So out of the box but comes Michael McDowell's Freight Auctions number 34. Front Row Motorsports Ford Mustang. Pretty sick. And of course, all these die-cast chassis get that special 1 out of 576 instead of just saying limited edition. I don't know why I waited for the last car to show that, but anyways, there it is. So that's a pretty cool little bonus with the die-cast chassis and body schemes they got going on. So that's the last one out of the box. We'll go over one more time. So we got 2 Fords there. We got 2 Toyotas. And then we got the 3 Chevys here at the end. Kyle Busch, Eric Jones, and again, my favorite from the box is probably Ross Chastain's #1. I would say so, yeah. So pretty sick. Coming up soon is going to be a collection update because I just keep going and going, getting more and more. So that should be the next video up on the channel. But as for this one, like the video, leave a comment on which one of this little unboxing is your favorite. Subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.